Did you want me to talk?
Yeah.
Tell you about this thing?
Yeah, please.
So I just use this so I don't forget where I'm up to when I'm talking to parents. And I always start with manifesting ideas because I think that's the heart of what we're doing. We're helping people get whatever's inside out. And we're all about authentic, creative self-expression. We want it to be any idea, not just entrepreneurial, because some kids really don't want to make it about money. We want them to be social entrepreneurs, not just to do products. So we really just talk about ideas in general. And we do have a design thinking sort of pathway, which you'll see on the wall when we go that way. So in the building, anything can really happen. We want this feeling that anything can happen. What happens is we have some teams going on, we have different global collaborations, so we have interactions with different countries, different classrooms around the place so they get some global literacy. We organise internships, we have camps, we have green weeks, we call them green weeks, 7 weeks on doing scheduled classes, and then we have a week of random, then another 7 weeks, another week of random. So we have 5 sessions throughout the year. So they, if we meet an educator who's really awesome, and they don't have any room left on the schedule, we get them to organise a camp so we can have access to that. So in the camps we're doing stained glass windows or archaeological digs or cool things like that. Some kids are playing, some are, we have a little apprenticeship program with all the technology so they can learn how to use the sewing machines or the laser cutter or any machines in the wood shop, that sort of thing. They do different clubs, Dungeons and Dragons, chess, all sorts of different clubs, book clubs. And then we have platforms for them to show off what they've been doing. So we have open mic night, marketplace, showcases, poetry and teas, karaoke, all sorts of different ways that they can show off their skills. We help parents put together a personalised pathway that their academic piece in any way that the child learns. In our onboarding, we use the learning genome to help them understand how their child learns best and what kinds of activities might really light them up. We find mentors, learning buddies for them, and we really integrate them into the community. And then we do the big collaborative projects. We have a inter-community Shakespeare troupe with parents and children. And any kind of class the parents want to create at Workspace, they can create. So really the scaffolding that we have is the ed team, which is a curriculum specialist and our dream director and our tech wizard and myself, and we have our facilities director. So together we help parents put together these personalised pathways, and then we keep Workspace running, we help them organise, but we're not telling them what they need to teach their children. We help children manifest their ideas in here, and also parents. A lot of parents come in and they have an idea for what kind of schooling that they want to create for their child, and they convince other parents to jump in and they create their own little micro schools within Workspace. We also have a drop-off embedded micro school Acton Academy upstairs, so I'll show you that as well. So we're going to go and see 21CI, which is here. This is our project-based learning paradigm that was parent created. It's really a mixture of social emotional learning, practical application of skills and academics, all around projects with big driving questions throughout the year, and then we have got 5 sessions where we go into each part of the question so that by the end of it they will have had enough experience with the topic to be able to write, let's say, a dissertation on that topic through their discussions and interaction with the projects that they're doing. So we'll go and have a look at that. Right now they're making robotic arms for the Discovery Museum in Bridgeport.